Questions from MSBTE question paper. Subject MPR 22446. 2 marks questions. 1. List types of chips produced in machining processes. S19. To list any 4 accessories used on lathe. S19. 3. Designate a tool 8 to 10, 6 to 6, 5 to 10, 0.8 signature in ASA system. W22, S22. 4. Explain in short mechanics of chip formation. S22. 5. Define feed and speed in a shaping machine. S19. 6. Enlist the types of shapers. W22, S22. 7. List any 4 materials used for pattern making. S19. 8. List any 4 casting defects. S19. 9. Elaborate why the section of a sprue reduces downwards. W22. 10. List types of electric furnace. W22. 11. State jumping operation. W22. 12. Enlist types of molding sand. S22. 13. State the various elements of gating system in molding process. S22. 14. State the applications of rolling. S19. 15. State the 4 advantages of MIG welding. W22. 16. Define brushing. W22. 17. State applications of extrusion process. S22. 18. State the applications of TIG welding. S19. 19. Differentiate between soldering and brushing. S22. Questions from